Hello, I'm Lyndon Ottaway, one of the VCE biology teachers. I'm here to briefly discuss the topics covered in Unit 1 and 2 biology, as well as outline the assessment, learning activities and careers relevant to this subject. Biology is a scientific study of living things. This subject enables students to explore how living organisms carry out processes to ensure life is sustained. Unit 1 focuses on the internal and external factors that affect the survival of organisms. In Area of Study 1, students examine the structure and functionings of cells, with a focus on the plasma membrane and the way that substances are transported in and out of cells. The cellular process of photosynthesis and respiration are investigated in detail, and they also learn about the circulatory system and its essential role in the human body. In Area of Study 2, students examine adaptations of a range of organisms that enable them to survive. They examine how homeostatic mechanisms maintain the internal environment, and they explore the importance and implications of organising and maintaining biodiversity and examine the nature of ecosystems. In Area of Study 3, students will undertake a student-directed practical investigation. They choose a question that is related to a topic studied in Unit 1, and then they design their own experiment to investigate their question. Unit 2 focuses on the genetic explanations for the continuity of life. In Area of Study 1, students learn how the cell cycle enables the continuation of life, compare the advantages and disadvantages of sexual and asexual reproduction, and identify the role of stem cells in cell growth and cell differentiation and in medical therapies. In Area of Study 2, students learn how genetics are responsible for inheritance, analyse pedigree charts, predict outcomes of genetic crosses, and identify the implications of the uses of genetic screening and decision-making related to inheritance. In Area of Study 3, students investigate an issue related to a genetic technology. Students work collaboratively on learning tasks and share their learning through presentations in class and online platforms, including Class Notebook. There are many practical activities throughout the course that build on the students' biological understanding and skills in the laboratory. The online resource of EdRolo is used for flipped learning as well as revision purposes. Excursions to the Barwon Bluff Rock Platform and Armstrong Creek utilise the local environment to consolidate learning of the ecological components of the course. Assessment is comprised of a variety of tasks, including practical investigations, tests with multiple choice and short answer, scientific poster, written reports, logbooks of practical activities. Practical work is a central component of learning and assessment, and as a guide, between 3.5 to 5 hours of class time will be devoted to this for each unit. Learners who enjoy this subject want to understand the processes that living organisms undertake to sustain life. They must like hands-on learning and conducting experiments and other field work. They're keen to discuss ideas and collaborate with their classmates, and they see value in collecting and analysing data. VCE biology provides for continuing study pathways within the discipline and leads to a range of careers. The subject is relevant to the fields of medicine, health and sports science, agriculture, horticulture and viticulture, scientific research, ecology and environmental and resource management. Thank you for considering VCE biology as part of your senior program. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me by email or in person at the college. Thank you.